Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog. You're watching HQ BMW. Today, Royal Rally Graphics back at Ultimate Auto Protection. They're letting us use their shop to get the graphics installed on all the cars. We got Steve and his GT3 RS here, and I noticed they're already starting to put some decals on the cars. Let's go in and check it out. There's a professional at work right there.
Yes, sir. Go Steve, the pro. Hello HQ BMW. Welcome to Royal Rally.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Check out this.
Yeah.
TVR.
Comes off, I'm supposed to take it off. Oh, man. Why not? Was it yours there? Yep. How do you like it? I love it.
Put it right above.
Right-hand drive.
There's nothing else like it. Great. Everything under the sun is pretty ridiculous. Everything on the steering wheel. Yeah.
TVR Tuscan.
No power steering, no power brakes. Okay. All car. Yeah. It does.
We got Supa in this M4. He's all decaled up. We got the Mustang all deckled up. We got a pretty full house in here today. Oh, drool. M4 GTS. Oh, that thing is sick. What do you guys think? Was teasing everybody that he was bringing a Cobalt SS, so we made a special decal for him that we're gonna throw on right here. Right? We'll throw this one on for him. He said he was bringing a Cobalt SS, so we're going to we are just going to make it a Cobalt SS just for him. What do you guys think? Perfect decal, right? And there's Norm from International Motor Cars. He's bringing the Cobalt GTR.
Yeah, Cobalt.
Pretty sweet.
This is the new Cobalt SS. It's pretty sweet, I think.
I'd say. It's got a pretty good jam.
I'd rather drive a Cobalt. Just for Matt's pleasure.
I'm pretty sure it's a Cobalt.
Oh, sick! I love it.
I'm pretty sure it's a Cobalt.
Can we pay all these? Yeah, down here. Yeah.
Okay. Beautiful Cobalt SS. Norm was so stoked about it. He's actually taking the badges off, and he's actually going to put the Chevy bow tie right there as well. What a good sport. Golf R. That's a wrap. If you need any paint protection film, ceramic coating, window tinting, detailing, vehicle transport, make sure you hook up and look up with Ultimate Auto Protection. That's a wrap for today. Now we're gonna head home and get ready for tomorrow's excitement, and I will be bringing you guys along for all of the adventures. We look forward to seeing Renee's gas guzzler on the rally tomorrow. It's gonna be a blast. Huge shout out to Renee for letting us use her shop. That concludes today's Decal installation for Royal Rally Unleashed 2. Just got home. We spent about 6 hours-ish installing decals on close to 58 cars. A lot of fun. What car was your favorite? I didn't actually get to film a lot as we were busy really installing graphics on a lot of cars. So not sure how long the vlog is gonna be, but hopefully you guys enjoyed the content. Glad Norm was such a good sport of driving a Cobalt SS. So much fun. What a great group of guys, great group of cars. Tomorrow is going to be an absolute blast as always. So I hope you guys want to see tomorrow's content. Smash that subscribe button, hit that notification bell. It'll alert you every time I upload a new video. And like that, it's time to go cut a few more decals for tomorrow's shenanigans and try to get a good night's sleep. So thanks for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. Peace.
You got me down again.